Mr. Kim, thank you for your invite. I'm so happy and I'm very lucky. Yeah, that's why the first time come to Port Harcourt. Yeah.
Wow.
You know, in China, you are the superstar. You have a good tip. Yes, everybody know you and you are the very kindly man.
Thank you.
Yeah. And this time, because we come to here for go to Calabar installation 7-set charge solar system. If you want to see a product, you also can come to Calabar.
No time, always
No
busy.
So next time, come to China to visit our factory.
Yes, I will.
Yeah.
I'll be coming to Canton Fair next month.
Really?
No.
So visit us in our factory, okay?
Yes.
We are in Foshan city by the Canton Fair. It's very 1 hour, only 1 hour.
Okay.
Yes. So when you arrive, I go to pick you up to our factory.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you. And we arrive check these 2 factories. So we will design the solar system for you for your reference. Okay? Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, so nice. Thank you. Thank you so much.